Good day everyone. So our topic is enhancing comprehensive listening skills. For our learning objectives, at the end of the 60-minute session, students should be able to analyze meaning of information using comprehensive listening, apply comprehensive listening strategies, and share one's thought on how important it is to enhance comprehensive listening skills. Let us define first what is comprehensive listening. Comprehensive listening is about interpreting the words and ideas of the speaker. In essence, this type of listening requires that the listener understands the language and vocabulary. It is also a crucial skill that involves fully understanding of language. Whether you're engaging in conversations, listening to lectures, or consuming audio content, honing this skill is essential for effective communication. So when we say comprehensive listening, it is about how you, as a listener, will be able to interpret the ideas or what the speaker is saying through your listening skills. So to be able to communicate effectively, the listener must practice this ability, wherein you should listen attentively for you to successfully comprehend the spoken language, such as the vocabulary, grammar, as well as the pronunciation of the speaker or the one that you are talking to.
In comprehensive listening, having an understanding of basic language skills and vocabulary will not only help you follow along, but communicate with the speaker. Comprehensive listening also dips into other categories and covers most other forms of listening that critical learners utilize. Like for example, watching the news, listening to presentation, getting directions from someone, and taking notes during a meeting.
Now, let's discuss the different strategies of comprehensive listening. These strategies may help you to become a good listener. Now, let's define first the active engagement. Active engagement is about actively participate in the conversation by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and providing verbal and nonverbal cue to show interest. Example, the students are actively participating in the classroom. Next is minimize distraction. It is about reduce external distraction like noise or interruption to the focus fully on the speaker. Example is like turn off your phone and focus on the speaker. This helps maintain focus on the lesson without disruptive notification or sounds. Next is avoid interrupting. Allow the speaker to finish their thoughts before responding or asking questions. Example, the teacher is explaining and you feel a bit lost on the topic. Instead of interrupting, just jot down your question or confusion. Once a teacher stops or designated Q&A time, you can ask your question without disrupting teacher's discussion. These strategies ensure a smoother learning experience for everyone. 4 is practice empathy. It is about understanding the speaker's perspective and emotion. Example, where your fellow student is presenting in the classroom, instead just focusing on the information, acknowledge the effort that they put into their work. This approach not only values their work, but also show understanding and consideration for their effort.
For our next strategy, it is asking clarifying questions. So you would be asking questions to your teacher when you find some of the topics confusing. So we seek clarification to ensure that you have an accurate understanding of the message. And also, if we ask questions, it also goes back to the first strategy, which is active engagement. So if we interact with our teachers, then we focus on understanding the topic. Okay, next. For our next strategy, we have taking down notes. So if you jot down key points or important details, it aids in retention and understanding. So for our last strategy, we have reflect and summarize. So after the discussion, you should take a moment to reflect on what was discussed and then summarize the main points for it to reinforce your comprehension. So comprehensive listening is a valuable skill. It contributes for you to be effective in communication, learning, and personal growth. So by actively engaging in this practice and employing these effective strategies, us individuals can improve our listening skills, enhance our overall understanding and communication abilities. So we have covered important strategies for us to have effective comprehensive listening. So as we reflect on this insights, it's clear that we have understood these effective strategies. So that's it. Thank you for listening.